What's the cool way to say, hey guys?
That's the intro. That's the intro. I love learning things. I want to do more videos on my channel about learning things, so I'm having my good friend Janey, FoodsOfJane, teach me how to make. What are we making?
Vodka sauce.
Vodka sauce.
So pasta covered in a tomato sauce that has vodka in it. All I'll do is cook. Okay, so we're gonna start, no, sorry, I lied. We're gonna start with the olive oil. I feel like this is how I start all of my dishes. Down. It's about 2 tablespoons. So like 2 big spoonfuls. So this is kind of tricky because we're doing separate things. So I minced 2 garlic cloves per dish.
Okay.
So that's 2 cloves cut up into tiny little pieces. So I'll just kind of put it in. Probably should be using like utensils, but I just kind of go for it when I cook. It's my style.
I like it.
So from there, just kind of swish it around. Oh, it's already burning. Here, wait, take yours off. Take yours off. Your thing is up too high. You already up. Just kidding. That's my fault for turning it up too high. Cut. Tomato paste. So grab the pasty looking stuff. I would use the fork. You definitely don't want to stick your hands into this one. And just kind of put it in. This is 2 tablespoons. Then you add in the cream. So this is about a cup. Use a whisk at this point to kind of combine everything. Next, I would add a little bit of this. You don't have one. We're sharing. Okay. So just a little bit of red pepper flakes. A lot if you like it spicy, a little if you are a baby. And then as it kind of bubbles, you just watch it and add a little bit of cream in little by little to adjust the texture so that it's nice and saucy and thick. So now it's time for the fun part.
Yay!
We're only allowed to do it if we both take a shot. Can I get a chaser? Oh, God.
That was a small shot. I did a big shot.
I know, but we're gonna have more in our sauce. That has to count for something, right?
It's fine.
Okay, so I usually do a splash, which is like 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'd say 1. Boom. It starts to sizzle. So a lot of people comment on my posts whenever I post about this, and they say, like, doesn't it taste like all vodka-y, like boozy, like what's the point? Vodka brings out this flavor of tomatoes that wouldn't be there without it. So I make it without vodka whenever I don't have any, and it tastes pretty much the same. So I think it's just a little extra touch, and it's more fun to have vodka in your pasta.
I like cooking with vodka, for sure.
Yeah. From here, we're gonna boil the pasta. I'm gonna put a little bit more red pepper flakes in mine because I like my shit very spicy.
Excuse me.
You do too? Okay.
Share with the class, please.
I see you with the vodka and the red pepper flakes. So this is pretty much ready to go. I just let it simmer for like 5 more minutes. If I could wear vodka sauce perfume, I would. More like burnt garlic at this point, but hey.
Vodka sauce by Gucci.
It smells so good. So, see how the sauce is getting kind of like, I don't know what the right word is, like thick? Well, it doesn't coat the noodles as nicely when it's this thick, so I like to thin it out a little bit by adding some of the pasta water because it's starchy and it makes it like more like silky.
Okay.
So we're gonna go grab a little bit of water out of the boiling pasta and add it in. both gonna pour this in.
Okay.
Just pour it in. Splash. And then from here, probably need to grab a spoon, stir this shit up. This looks so good. Yeah. So the cool thing about this pasta shape is that it's like almost like a little like cornucopia, like cold sauce in it. So when you're eating your favorite kind of sauce, it's better to use nudes that do that for you. Yeah, so from here we just plate it. Just put some of it on there. Fresh basil. Basil's like really potent, so I don't use a ton of it. This little guy is burrata cheese. Probably gonna freak you out because it feels very weird. It's so creamy and like delicious on the inside, and I usually like rip it and just kind of put a piece right on top. Does it remind you of like an egg yolk or something gross?
Truly, truly strange experience.
There you go.
Yours looks so much nicer than mine.
I think yours looks awesome. High five. So you just season with a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Or a lot of salt because I like salt.
Okay.
Cheers. Thoughts?
I mean, it's mine. I gotta try the real one.
Oh yeah, I want to try yours.
Yours tastes so much better than mine.
No, it doesn't. It tastes exactly the same.
No, it doesn't.
It's good.
That's really good. I will link Janey's like recipe blog thing, the blog post with the recipe below in the description, but
Oh yeah. This is the best. I don't ever want it to end.
Is the end of the video just gonna be like 30 seconds of us just chewing?
Probably. Am I mic'd up enough for it?